Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Understanding Your Overlander. As an Overlander, I'm asked frequently why I do what I do. Why do I load up my vehicle and drive off to the middle of nowhere? Do you do that by yourself? Isn't that scary? Yes, I usually go out by myself. And no, it's not scary. It is beautiful. As to why, well, nature is amazing, and I want to see it. It seems like a simple answer on the surface, a simple motivation, one that evokes the timeless rejoinder, but why? For Gen X Overlanders like myself, there were three people who nurtured our motivation to explore nature. Bob Ross, Jacques Cousteau, and Marty Stauffer. No, really. That's how you pronounce his last name.
I'm Marty Stauffer.
While these men added fuel to my motivation, a scene from a movie in the summer of 1982 set fire to it.
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion. I watched sea beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate. All those moments will be lost in time, like tears in rain. Time to die.
I connected with Deckard here. He had been given a moment of clarity that changed everything for him. He was truly dumbfounded and humbled by a disposable being. As I've aged, I still connect with Deckard. But I find myself connecting with Roy more and more. All the moments, all the beauty of those moments would be lost.
I've seen things. Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion. I watched sea beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate.
Shoot, you know what happens if there's two trees? Pretty soon there's going to be three, and then there's going to be four, and you're going to have a forest.
We cannot develop all of our mountain wilderness areas with no regard for wildlife.
alien visitors to the element which gave birth to the oldest ancestral forms of life.
All these moments live in my mind's eye. But I want them to outlive me and others. I want them to soar in their imagination, to fuel their motivation to explore. Nature is amazing, and I want to see it. Don't you?